It's the landing lights.
ไม่ตะโกน
It's the landing lights. Oh my god. So cool. Yeah, but it's glass so like pushing like off low quality. Like we just I don't know. Like the brightness of it's not really this pattern, it just gets messed up. It's light of the image. Okay, this is area. Yeah, I use this iPad to make some of my videos. I mean, roles of my videos. To work as and this so I'll know okay, that's not asking the truth. The truth is my sister is literally blocking the camera. God's deep vibe. Since I'll work my name is have. Okay, Paula. No mind. It's not really close to the land. Yeah, this is my iPad here. There's the wings.
เสียงออกมา
โอ้ย
เพราะเดี๋ยวนี้เกินไป อย่าเกินไป
ก็เสียดูอยู่
ไม่เกินไปแน่สิมันได้แล้วไม่ได้
ต้องหมดเรื่องเลย
แม่ไม่มันไม่เป็นไรกับพี่ Very nice maintenance. Yeah, I've got some white and red. Looks like blonde or like the blonde. I hate blonde. So that on the walls. Put some Minecraft game. Just kidding. I can feel it. I did so good. Very interesting, man. Why is the vision bound? No, is it? Is the L keys? That's not solution out. Yeah, I don't know. This one not right. We are above the city, baby. We're above the town. Gonna put the gear down and we are approaching the dawn. Okay, I'm just making this song up. Look at the city. Hi, look at the city. It's quite
여러분들의 비행기는 착륙 준비가 완료됐습니다. 안전벨트를 매셨는지 다시 한번 확인해 주시기 바랍니다.
Let's see how hard it is. The harder the voice rating that I will give. Yeah, I'll give a rating. You can see it's approaching, as you can see in the camera. It's deep fried, oh my god. What's going on with my camera? Oh my god. It's deep fried. Smash that. The plane is turning towards the ground. I'm not turning my camera right now. Yeah, prove you guys wrong, but I'm not doing it. It's turning. It's turning. This is really turn. Not like deep turn. Deep wrong turn. Yeah, I think they should be approaching in ages because it's been 7 minutes. I'm holding with one hand now. It's been a long day. Yeah, and one step ahead we're touching Thailand. Where's the runway? The question is.
เส้นพอแล้วถ่ายได้ไหม
เขาถ่ายยาวๆส่วนใหญ่อะ Why didn't they just twist off the lights? I can't see anything. It's bright. You hear that, guys? They just want some stuff. Oh, I think they just set the flaps, new flaps out. Airbus. Warmwood Airbus sound. Okay, why are we so high up right now? It's feel like a minute ago. It's very high up. It's very low. Now you're just saying that we're flying. Just to grab something.
เส้นกดที่จอจะได้ไหมคะกดที่จอจะได้ไหมคะ
Now this is the pool. Whoa. ไม่จริงเขาถ่าย30เลยส่วนใหญ่อะ
ใครจะดูคลิป
ไม่เป็นไรสิอยากได้ดูบ้างได้ไหม
ทำให้เสร็จ
Mom, stop. I can't set it.
9 นาทีแล้วพ่อ
เสียหยุดได้เถียงเสียงรอบเดียวฉันเฟลเชียวเลย Okay, very nice.
เกิดว่า
Some skip video on the screen. Oh my god.
500กว่าหลังรู้ได้ไง
Let's don't care about that sound. Well, my house is invisible right now. It just drains the cover goes so they couldn't see it. Because there's a runway. Why is it so why are there enemies in this game? No. I don't need some hologram enemies for now. You know, right? Move on to the next POV. My sister's POV. Yeah, I'm wrong with it. Got the POV. Why the music in the room? It's like coffee shoe sound. Gears are down. Yeah, I say no because of course. Yeah, this is Busan Airways. Some people just call that the pool. This is a residential area. There's one of the pool is over that. But the residential is the fall. The residentials move in and trying to get and trying to steal one of the pool's airport for you. Yeah, they just trying and they for the trap. Yeah, this airport was there were no American airlines on this airport. Oh, someone else. And they are setting the flaps. Okay, are we doing losses? Why do the lights like a one-way? Oh my god. Look. It looks like a one-way. Over there. It looks similar to the one-way. Oh, we aren't even reaching out. Oh, there we go. We're landing. I hope it's smooth. And I will give this airline a 1. I mean a 10 or 10. Just do your best. Come on. Yeah, if this camera, I mean iPad doesn't just shake or just went off, yeah, I'll just say good to go. I know, I want to go back to South Korea. Yeah, South Korea is a place for holiday. I just literally posted 2 videos in the past week. For the single week. It's the only week that I have posted a lot of videos. This is the most coasting.
บ้านเราอยู่ตรงนู้นเมื่อกี้ผ่านไปเห็นสระว่ายน้
that's not my house. No, that's not my
ำ
house.
แม่บ้านเราอยู่ตรงนู้นเมื่อกี้เซเห็นสระว่ายน้ำแล้วเซ
Wait,
จำได้
we're
เลย
landing.
แล้วก็มี
That's
ตึ
the
กที่ตร
terminal
งสระว่ายน้ำ
cafeteria
ด้ว
and
ย
everything over here. Oh my god. Yes. Ah, come on, land me. No, it's just too lazy, dumb to land. No, this is the
แม่ตรงนี้
เสีย
ตรงนี้
closing
แม่ตรงนี้มี
again.
แต่รถอะไรนะรถแท็กซี่จอด
Okay, we are landing.
แท็กซี่เดี๋ยวต้องไป
Buddy, we are landing. Landing for impact. I mean,
อ่ะเอา
like
พวก
and
คนเดียวอยู่ในเครื่อง
like and subscribe for impact. I hope please move, not right. No. What's it called? Oh. Wait, what? Now it's retarded. Whoa. It's wait, but it's quite fast. Brakes are like fast. Oh my god. It's flipping the screen. Just kidding. It's going like this. That was insane. This is insane.
여러분 감독선
어.
대구간
Oh my
도착입니다.
god.
안전벨트 착용 표시등의
Oh
것을
my.
기본지 안전벨트를
Yeah, just fly with
매주시고
it. I give it a 7.
선반을 열
I
때는 문이
absolutely.
떨어지지 않게 주의해 주십시오. 내부전 이용해 주시는 특히 제식으로
And they
관찰하시면
use a 3,000 baht food. There's like a few thousand baht food on the plane. You have to pay.
중 international airport.
Yeah, I'm actually
Please keep
surprised.
your seatbelt fastened and comfortable when you open your overhead
Not
bin
even a
and
half of a
open
run.
the
I
lounge.
mean,
We hope to see you
at the end of the runway. Give this a 9 out of 10.
With
reputation. Even though the leg rooms are a lot bigger than mine is. Like I can place almost
Your
anything.
passengers, please note that a cigarette that strictly
They were a good thing to record only one accident. It was killed only a person. Wow, what a way to news. This is like Emirates. And now we're taxiing. Just like so, guys. This is the. Yep, we're going to the international airlines. International Airlines. I think like the second terminal is a new terminal for Suvarnabhumi Airport.
แม่
Yeah, this is
ขอ
the
ซื้อ
place.
แล้วยัง
There's like a new terminal constructing in the middle of the gate of the first terminal. So remember before when there's almost every airline all in one terminal. Wait, do you guys remember Singapore Airlines Flight 321? That just caused like fire trucks and things to come in and rescue that single plane. Wait. Is that? No. Why are the buildings so similar? And secondly, why is there a Lufthansa A380? I literally saw two A380. Two A380s. And there's the T-Waves I saw in the afternoon, and they just literally took off.
손님 착석해 주십시오.
And they just honking. Oh my god. Oh, that's Turbis. No way. Just remember, I'll give this a 9 out of 10. It's good to me. It's good to live. That's of course tournament. Okay, never mind. It's not the end of the video. Somebody is. No! Get out! Okay, anyways. I actually don't want to return. I actually want to return to like South Korea for another holiday, like for another like 3 years.
ไปตอนนี้เลยไหมยังทันอยู่
Sister's so annoying. So annoying. It's like
ก็เปลี่ยน
อ่าอ่า
yeah, this new terminal I prefer this. I prefer this terminal. It's like Incheon International Airport. I prefer the design. Wait,
I mean, but-
is it a copy or something? Oh, I'm just kidding.
อ่าไฟไม่เปิดเลย
A330, the butter machine, my favorite. My favorite of this April Fools because April Fools means hard landing. I mean April Fools, hard landing every day. So that's why I love the A330. It's the opposite. is for the Airbus A380. Have you seen that?
SAS
A350 and another A350. Why the two A350? 3 A350s, all an airline. Two of them were Thai Airways, SAS and that's
จำได้ไหมเรื่องลักกี้ที่ไฟดับบนในเครื่องบินแล้วเขาไปหาสาเหตุในห้องน้ำอ่ะ
That is
และเจอสาเหตุในห้องน้
จำได้ดู
ำที่มันแบบ
มันมีสายไฟ
ที่มันใช่
that is a very
แม่ก็น่าดูสิ
boom boom
สนุกดี
boom
เกิดอุบัติเหตุบ่อยอ่านเสี่ยวเกาะจอทำไมเดี๋ยวคนดูก็เวียนหัวหมดละ
Hey, there's a Condor A330 painted in a special livery, painted in a banner livery. That's rare. I just got Star Alliance. What is that airline? All Shecom? Shecom? Never seen that. Is that a weird airline? Tell me in the comments. It looks like it's an A320neo with that small plane. This is the L1.
Exit.
These guys, these planes have some special stuff in it.
match you
Wait, are we going to Harvard Terminal?
match
No.
watch
Or-
your
or
head
years here.
ดึงดิ่งดังดิ่งดัง
Let's
แน่
say
นะ
park here for 2 years. For 2 years.
แค่
Oh, we are parking at
ปี
another
เดียว
new
เองที่ไม่
terminal.
ได้
Oh,
มา
we just park at the new terminal, I guess.
มีสามสีลุ้งสีขาวสี
We at new terminal. They were like
สีส้ม
a launching department on this. There's an Air Asia thing. Vanished from the camera because it's too broad.
Do not subscribe to this video
And there's somebody trying to pee. Got.
เกิด
If I remember, if you go to another terminal instead of the first, you have to ride a train ride. Like, beep. It's very nice. What's that guy doing? The middle. No. There's like a severe turbulence. It's a 6-hour flight. I'm like so happy to push tight. But I was sad when I left South Africa. I'm finally understanding why. It's worse. Oh, it's shaking. There's a few guys trying to mock me. Oh my god. I'm trying to. Not the camera. Oh my god. What is this? Why are there lots of airlines? Is that J-Joy? It looks similar to J-Joy. Why is that guy 6? Siesta.
อาใจ
Got the other DOV. Wait, we're at the main terminal. Let's go. I mean, let's not go. Why don't we just park at another gate? Emirates. think because it gets really very nice. And the music's driving. Royal Busan Airways. And Japan Airlines going 777. Yeah. Wait, we're walking over to Castaway. What are you doing? Are you gonna put? Yep. Definitely parking at the very edge. Mark the very edge of the building.
손 여러분 안전을 위해 안전벨트 착용 표시 등이 꺼질 때까지 자리에 앉아 조금만 더
อย่างเงี้ยอยากเล่น
기다려주십시오.
มาก
잠시 후 내리실 때는 이별부터 차례대로 내려주시기 바랍니다.
ไปเล่นไหมอยากไหม
Yeah, first time seeing the aeroplane.
아닙니다.
I love
Empty
aeroplanes.
flight,
There's
taking
crashes.
from the
Wow, wow.
I just got 2,000. This is the best. Yeah, guys. No, actually, no. Why are there cars everywhere? Why are there cars